Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marut Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to start this wonderful session, this series of RRB NTPC. The dates have been announced. 5th June is the date of your examination, and we are all geared up, set and ready to achieve that examination, right? Now, for the same, we are starting this batch and we have prepared a complete plan for us to follow in the next 20-21 days, where we'll be covering each aspect of your syllabus and on a very good level, right? So the alphabet test I have already taken in the past in various batches, and there we have done very basic level of questions. But here the level of questions is pretty good, it's pretty high. So accordingly, we'll be dealing with this. The questions will be mostly based on previous year questions from all railway examinations, right? So let's start the session without any further ado. Let's start with the first question. Which letter is 4 to the right of the letter, immediately to the left of the letter? Immediately to the left of the letter, which is third to the right of the letter, immediately to the left of the letter L. Read this completely in this sequence. Okay. So, left of the letter L, we have K. Okay. Now, third to the right of this. So, 1, 2, 3, we have N. Immediately to its left, we have M. Immediately to its left again, we have L. And fourth to its right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So P will be my correct answer. Okay. Now, how else could we have done this? What could have been another method to do this? Fourth to the right of the letter, immediately to the left of the letter, immediately to the left of the letter, which is third to the right of the letter, immediately to the left of letter L. So this is L minus 1 plus 3. Okay. Minus 1 plus 4. So this is we'll delete all this, gone. Simply L plus 4 we had to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, option B is the correct answer. Cool. So L plus 4 is equal to B. That's how you can do this better. Right? Next. Okay. Which letter will be sixth to the right of the third letter from the left of the letter, which is exactly in the middle of the letters in the given series below? First, you'll have to count these letters. Okay. So you'll count them: 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So out of 27 letters, which one will be the middle one? That will be the 14th letter. 27 plus 1 divided by 2. That is the 14th letter, correct? 14th letter will be T. So this is the middle letter. After finding the middle letter, what they are asking, letter will be 6 to the right of third letter from the left to the left of the letter which is exactly in the middle. So T minus 3 for third letter and 6 to the right. So basically you just have to do T plus 3, which is 1, 2, 3, or G will be your correct answer. Okay. Next. Now here, even I made this error when I first solved this PPT. What you have to do is, we have to solve this first, write it down and use it for question number 3 to 5. Okay. Use it for question number 3 to 5. Okay. So if letters from A to M were written, leaving space for one letter in between, so we'll write A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, followed by, we'll change the ink, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now the question is asking us, which letter would be third to the right of the seventh letter from the left? Seventh from the left, third to its right. Basically it is asking you 10th from the left. 10th from the left. So 10th means R. So option C is my correct answer. Okay. Now keeping this series in mind, we'll have to progress further. Okay. Keeping this series in mind, we'll have to progress further. So which letter would be exactly between D and K? Which letter would be exactly between D and K? So we have D here and K here. Okay. So this is 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6. So we have T as the correct answer. Option B, T is the correct answer. Next, which letter would be exactly in the middle of the 18th letter from the beginning and 15th from the end? 18th letter from the beginning and 15th from the end. 18th from the beginning. This is the 18th from the beginning and 15th from the end. Exactly in between S and V, which is there, H, right? So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Yeah, sure. So what is the question asking us? The question is telling us that the alphabet A to Z, we are writing from A to M, leaving a space in between. Okay. If letters from A to M were written, leaving space for one letter between every two letters, and then the remaining letters were inserted beginning with N and ending with Z after M. So from A to M we wrote first, leaving a space. Then after M we had N. So we started filling the gaps now. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is what they are giving us as a question. Okay. This is what they are giving us as a question. Now, after this, they are asking you a question based on this series. What is the question? The question is, which letter would be third to the right of 7th from the left? 7th from the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third to its right. 1, 2, 3. Technically 7th from the left and third to the right after it is 7 plus 3, 10th letter from the left. So if you count 10 letters from the left, you will get R as your correct answer. Okay. The others are clear. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Not a problem. Now next, from 6 to 8, again we have another set of letters. Okay. Now what are the directions here? If all the letters from A to Z were written like this, so we only writing odd letters up to Y. Okay, so write the odd letters first. So A, C. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. Right? And now the remaining letters, we start from Z and we write it here. Okay. So we'll write 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Now this is the series. This time the series is different. Okay. Now try to find the answer, whatever questions they are asking you. The question is, which letter is to the right of 16th letter from the left? That is, they are asking you the 17th letter from the left, right? See, 17th letter is an odd position. Letters on the odd position are the same, right? Letters in the odd position are same. Letters in the even position are what are changing. Correct? 17 means odd position. So from the left, odd position will be 17th letter is what? Q only. So option C is my correct answer. Got it? Correct, correct. Good, good, good. Now keep this series with you because the next two questions will also be based on this series. Which letters are exactly in the middle of the 19th letter from the left and 14th letter from the right? 19th letter from the left, that is S, and 14th from the right. 14th from the right means M. They are asking you between M and S. Which letter is there? It's L. Right? It's L. So my option C will be the correct answer. Okay. Next. Which letter would be placed between Q and S? Which letter would be placed between Q and S? So we have J as the correct answer. Okay. Next. Now this is a new set of questions. From 9 to 14 we'll be following this series. So keep this series in mind. The problem is I have made an error, and this error I had made in the previous session also. Unfortunately I could not rectify it, I did not get the time. That this series is only on this page. I have not copied the same series on every slide. So we'll have to come back. Okay. Now in this series, they are asking you how many such numbers are there in the arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a symbol. So we need a number which is preceded by a symbol, but not followed by a letter. Okay. So we are looking what? For symbol number combos, but not followed by letters. Symbol number, not followed by letter. This is not the case. Symbol, symbol number, number. So this is true. Symbol letter, no. Symbol number. Symbol, no. So symbol number, and there should not be a letter after it. I think there is only one, right? Yeah, I think there's only one. Okay. Now we'll have to keep this series in mind. So I will come back here. If you have a method of taking a photograph or a screenshot, you can do that so that you don't have to revisit it time and again. Okay. You can take a, if you are watching it on the laptop, you can take a simple screenshot. Windows key plus print screen. Or you can take a snip tool, and if you are watching it on the phone, then unfortunately the screenshot feature will be disabled. So then you can click a photo with some other device. Oh, so sweet, yaar. Jai Shri Ram. It's very sweet of you. Good, 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 very good. My previous class was, it was very bad because of this one issue. Anyways, it happens. Now, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on the positions of the elements in the above arrangement and hence form a group. Which one does not belong to the group? This one is divide here, okay? This is not plus, this is divide here. So you need to check which one does not belong to that group. So see. Star divide 8d6. Star divide 8d6. What is the logic? Right, left, right, left. My logic is right, left, right, left. The next one is ym@e3. ym@e3 still works. Next is @y3ml. @y3ml still works. Next is beta h47d. Beta h47. Now for D there is skipping one more here. That should not be the case. So it should have been F here. So option D is the correct answer. And BQ9 equal to arrow. Just for the sake of it, we have checked. This is also following. Cool. Siddharth. Okay. Perfect, Siddharth. Great. Next one is also based on that. Till question number 14, everything is based on the series. How many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is either immediately followed by a number or immediately preceded by a letter? How many symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is either immediately followed by a number or immediately preceded by a letter? Letter symbol or symbol number? Number after symbol, letter before symbol. Symbol number, check. Symbol letter, check. Symbol number, check. Symbol letter, check. Symbol number letter, no. Symbol number, no. Symbol letter, no. Symbol number letter, no. Symbol number, no. That's it. Symbol followed by a number. And symbol preceded by a letter. Yeah, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 such cases. Option D is the right answer. Okay, next. Now, total number of pairs of adjacent symbol and letter are known as X. This is a good question actually. So, symbol number or number symbol is equal to X. Total number of pairs of adjacent letter and number. Letter number or number letter is equal to Y. And total pairs of adjacent number and symbol. Symbol and letter, first one is. Symbol letter, letter symbol, and symbol number, number symbol is Z. We need to find out this first. Okay. Symbol number, symbol letter, and letter number. Okay. So let's look for symbol number, number letter, letter symbol. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. Let's look for these. Symbol number or number symbol, both works. So symbol number, symbol number, symbol number, symbol number, symbol, and symbol number. Okay. So we get 6 here. X is 6. Now for Y, check for number letter. Number letter, number letter, letter number, letter number, letter number, letter number. 6 again. Check for letter symbol. Letter symbol. Letter symbol. Letter symbol. Symbol letter. Symbol letter. Symbol letter. And symbol letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 again. All 3 are equal. So what is my answer? Option D. All the three are equal in number. Okay, these are 6, these are 6, these are 6. Next, how many such letters are there in the arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a number but not immediately preceded by a symbol? So we are looking for sets of letter number, but it should not be preceded by a symbol. Okay, letter number should not be preceded by a symbol. So letter number should not be preceded by a symbol. This is gone. Letter number done. Letter number done. Letter number should not be preceded by a symbol. We have only 2. Okay, sets of letters and numbers not preceded by a symbol. We have only 2. Option C is the right answer. Cool. And the last question from this particular set, from this series. In the above arrangement, this is a very good question. This is actually analogy. They are saying 2RJL is analogous to B equal to $5. Similarly, YE6 star is analogous to this. So in the same way, what will be analogous to 8 divide D4? Okay. So 2RJL B equal to $5. 2RJL P equal to $5. This is the relationship. Okay. If we see 2RJL, so gap of +1, 0, +1, or I would say +2, 1, +2. And similarly, we have B equal to $5. So what is happening here is basically just previous to 5 we have here. Okay, just the letter which is previous to 5 is what is starting this. So 2 is immediately should end with 5. This starting one should end with the next letter here. This is the logic. The question they are asking you is, how is this related? So previous to 4 you will start with, right? Previous to 4 you will start with. What is previous to 4? Previous to 4 is F. So you will start with F. Your answer will be F beta H C. F beta H C. There is a misprint in this question. So my answer will be this. So I will mark option B as the correct answer because O is not there only in the question. Okay, got it? Next, this is the next set now. Read this carefully and try to solve this question. Sir, tell me about typing test. I don't understand how many words you have to type during type test. I don't understand. Sonjoy, we have to type 30 words per minute. Your speed has to be 30 WPM. 30 WPM if you're typing in English and 25 WPM if you're typing in Hindi. This is the minimum typing speed required. And the time given is 10 minutes to you. So there will be a paragraph given to you. You will be typing it in their software, not anywhere else. And the software will not have, spelling detector, so spelling error detectors or anything of that sort. Also, as far as I understand, backspace is also not allowed, right? So you can't simply type on Word. So you have a software for that. On that software, you give this typing test. 30 words per minute should be your speed. Okay. Most welcome, bacha. Okay, which of the following is 7 to the right of 18th from the right end? See, 18th from the right end, 18th from the right end, 7th to its right. That means 18 minus 7. No, I want 11th from the right end, correct? That's what I want, 11th from the right end. So 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11. Dollar is my answer. Option C is the correct answer. Use mathematics to get your answer correctly. Don't unnecessarily count till not required. Now till question number 19, all of these are related to the same series, okay? In the order of the last 15 elements, if the order of the last 15 elements is reversed, which of the following will be 5th to the right of the 12th from the left end? So 12th from the left end, 5th to its right will become 17th from the left end, correct? Now, order of the last 15 elements is reversed. If you count the number of elements, you will get 29 elements. Okay. So, last 15 means 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15. From here, we have reversed everything. Okay, isn't it? That's what it is saying. Okay. So, we need the 17th element now. So, we have 14 already here. 14, 15, 16, 17. But if it will be reversed, it will start from here. So, 1, 2, 3. This is what we are looking for. So, the answer is U. Answer is option A, U. Okay. Siddharth, it is for NTPC, RRB NTPC. Next. Four of the following 5 are alike in a certain way on the basis of above arrangement and hence form a group which does not belong to that group. Okay. RW4 5FG. RW4 5FG. This is the logic. Okay. Left, right, leaving a gap of 1. 9QA 3B dollar. 9. Okay, we have 9QA 3B dollar. This is going in the reverse direction. See, left, right, RW4. 3B dollar is also right. Oh. And 9QA. 9QA is incorrect, right? Right, left. This is left, right, left, right, left, right. Oh, 9QA is incorrect. I made an error in the last question. Okay. Rest everything is normal. So, the order is we are going left first, then right later. But here we are going right first and left later. That's the only error. Next, if the positions of E and A are interchanged, and similarly the positions of R and U are interchanged, then how many symbols will be there for each of which is either preceded or followed by a vowel? So, they are swapping E and A and R and U. See, even if they swap E and A, both are vowels, so that does not make a difference. But R and U need to be swapped, and then we need to check for symbols which are followed by a vowel or preceded by a vowel. Okay. So here we'll have R and here we'll have U. That's it. Symbols which are preceded by a vowel, 1. Symbol by a vowel, 1. Symbol before a vowel. That's it. We only have 3 here. No other symbols which are preceded or followed by a vowel. So, we have 3. Okay. Next, complete this series. Yeah, right. In case, I mean, so there was a doubt which was asked actually. So I was just answering that for the typing test. And yes, of course, not every exam, not every post will have typing test for you. So whatever post do have, for that I am telling. Okay. R, now related like this, RM3. Okay. RM3. So we have RM3. What is the difference? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 letters. 3, 1, 2, 3, 6 letters. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The next one will be D. So we'll start with D. Okay. This is gone. This is gone. D. Next is 6 only. Let's not check that. Last one is S or P. So this is hash, B, Q, and the next one. Hash, B, Q. So we have hash, B, Q. Again the same thing. 3 and 3 letter 6. So 3 and 3. S will be the correct answer. Oh, sorry. 3 and 3. P will be the correct answer. Right? So we have D6P as the correct answer. Okay. Next. Now a new set has started. If it is possible to make a meaningful word with the first, 12th, 15th, and 21st. So we have E, A, S, L. So, okay. Then the first letter of that word will be the correct answer. If no such word can be made, X is your answer. And if more than one such word can be made, M is our answer. So we can see two words being formed here. S-A-L-E, sale, and S-E-A-L, seal. So my answer will be option D, M. Okay. Now the next one is also connected to the same set. So let's read that. What will come in the place of question mark in the following sequence? GDR, BMP, D45. Hi Shiva, good evening. So G, B, D. G, B, D. So next one will be M. So next one will be starting with M. So this is gone. Next is D, M, 4. D, M, 4. So next will be N. M, N. So option A is the right answer. Last letter is Q for all the cases, not here, sorry. Okay. If the letters or numbers only from M to L are written in the reverse order and other letters are kept unaltered, then which letter will be third to the right of 17th from the right? Again, same concept. 17th from the right and third to its right, this side. That means 14th from the right. So now I am writing the letters from M to L, letters and numbers in the reverse order. In the reverse order from M to L. So from here to here. And I am asking you 14th letter from the right end. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is Z. Okay. Shiva, so far I am hearing this only. Wherever I am getting knowledge, I am getting this only, that the papers might get tough slightly. Because whoever conducts the paper, that is different, but the paper setting organization has changed. That is confirmed. Okay. So then obviously the papers, I would not say very tough, but probably there is going to be some alteration in the level. You never know, it might get easier also. So be on the brighter side. If your preparation is onto the mark, don't think about all this. Because if it's going to be a blunder, it's going to be for everybody. If every third letter or number starting from right replaces successive days of the week starting from Monday, then which letter will replace Thursday? Wait. This is for which question? Is it for the same question? Okay. If every third letter or number starting from the right replaces successive days of the week starting from Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every third letter starting from the right. So we need for Thursday. Thursday means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it's technically the 12th letter, right? And from the right they said or from the left? From the right. So this is what they're asking us. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yes. Good one. Okay. Did you understand the question? So in my series, if I am replacing every third letter starting from the right end with M, T, W, T, F, S, S, then Thursday will be replacing which letter is what they are trying to ask us. So then I can simply count here and get my answer. Or I could have simply see every third letter and I know Thursday will come on the 4th position. So 4 into 3 is 12. I could have simply counted the 12th letter also. If every alternate letter or number is dropped starting from E onwards, then which letter or number will be second to the left of the 10th letter from the left? So they want second to the left of 10th from the left, that is 8th letter from the left. 10th letter and second to the left will be -2, so 8th letter from the left is what they want. By dropping that you have to count. Technically 15th or 16th letter should be our answer, right? 8th letter is what we are looking at. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again S is the answer. Starting from what letter again? Starting from E onwards. My bad. Oh, starting from E onwards. So this is dropped. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be V. V will be my answer. See, this is what was happening. Since that the series is not written on every slide, I have to revisit it again and come back, and then I forget the question only midway. But anyways, it's a test for my memory also. Siddharth, what happened? You want me to slow down? I can do that. Oh, yeah. Don't be sorry. It's absolutely right. It's okay. How many symbols and numbers are there in the sequence which are either immediately preceded or immediately followed by the letter which is from the first half of the English alphabet? Okay, so from the first half means it has to be between A and M. Okay, the second half is from N to Z. So between A and M, we have to check for symbols which are either immediately preceded or followed. So symbols or numbers, both by. So anything between A to M, we need to check for that. Anything between A to M, 1 to 13. Number P, no. Symbol J. Okay. Number, no. Symbol L, 12 will be counted. Symbol V, no. Symbol Q, no. Symbol 6, no. 6Q, no. Symbol G, yes. Symbol, okay, we have to check numbers also, no. Symbol 3, no. Check for numbers also now. 1B, we will take this. 6Q, no. 9WK, 9K, we will take this. 3D, we will take this. 5H, I am not sure this is H or not. I think it's H only. Shouldn't be a symbol, I believe. Or 5F also I can count, no. 7A I can count, and Y will not be there. So I can see 8 here, so option C will be my right answer. Okay. Do you think I should count this also? Or do you think I should take it as a symbol? Na? Let it be 8 only. 25th question. Next. From the same set, you have to solve this question. Okay, 4 of them are similar and hence form a group. Which one does not belong to that group? QK5. QK5 is very far off. QK5. So we have 3 and 2. 5 letters, 3 and 3, 6. Okay. Next. L6D. L6D. Yes. So the answer is +5 +6. Okay. PL delta 1GC. PL 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is it. This is the one which is not following. Option C is the correct answer. Each symbol exchanges its position with its immediate right symbol or letter or number. Okay. Now, how many letters are there in the sequence which are immediately followed by a number, letters followed by a number, and immediately preceded by a symbol? So, this is what we are looking for. After exchanging symbol with the right. Okay. So, symbols are going to the right. So, this will be 8 at the rate L dollar Q hash. Yeah, right, to the right, to the right, correct. G delta this will be dot and C here. That's it. And now we have to look for what? Symbol, letter, number. Symbol, letter, symbol, no. Symbol, letter, number. We have this side here one. Symbol, letter, number. Hopefully H they are counting only. So we have only 2. What? Oh, sorry. 2. P at the rate L is to Y75 in the same way as $1 hash is to. So PAL Y75. P at the rate AL Y75. P at the rate L. So plus gap of 1, gap of 2. Y75. Gap of 1, gap of 2 in return. So first letter from here, first letter from there. So in the same way, they are asking us what? Dollar. So dollar is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letter from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. So F H3. FH3. Option B is the right answer. Cool. This is the last question. No, second last. Which of the following indicates the total number of symbols, letters and numbers respectively which get eliminated from the sequence when every second element of the sequence from your left is dropped from the sequence? Okay. So we need to check for symbols, letters and numbers, SLN. Every second element of the sequence from your left is dropped from the sequence. Drop, 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 drop. Okay, now count how many symbols, letters and numbers, right? So symbols are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 symbols. We are not sure about whether they have taken H as a letter or not. No, but we did not take it as a letter, no? So this was 5 only. This is actually, this is this H, I think. Maybe. I have to check it once. Letters, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 or maybe plus 1, not sure. So maybe this is 4 and 10 also. And numbers, we have 1. So either it is 6, no, 4, 10, 1 or 5, 9, 1. 5, 9, 1 is the answer, yes. Option D is the correct answer. So that H is counted as a symbol only, okay. This is counted as a symbol only. Cool. 591. Question number 30. Last question. Oh, this is the same question, same sequence only. Thankfully, the sequence is given in this slide. So, if every third element is from the left is removed from the sequence. So, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Similar, not the same, right? Okay. Which of the following indicates total number of symbol, letter, number? Again, same thing. Symbol, letter, number. How many symbols are being deleted? 1, 2. Letters, how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many numbers? So we definitely know this is E is the correct answer, right? And numbers, how many numbers are deleted? Any which ways? 1, 2, 262. Could we have had 4 symbols which have been deleted and we did not count them? 1, 2. No. So this is it. Okay. So that's it. We are done with this session. I'll end it here. The question levels were quite good. Okay. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with the next topic. If you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment section. Otherwise, I'll end the session here. Most welcome Siddharth. I'll end the session here then. Thank you so much for joining live. Bye bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind.